Hello, my favorite students. Welcome to Coronavirus Art Class. We're gonna make a press molded bowl today. Here's an example. Yeah, that's kind of a cool one. It's really nice and dirty inside. You should wear a mask when you do that. So we're going to use bowls that have already been made for the shape of our basic form. So you can use plastic bowls that you buy at the store or that you have at your house in your cupboard. Look at that, you can even make a heart-shaped bowl. Isn't that special? Metal bowls. My favorite thing to use though is bisque-fired bowls. Like bowls that I've already made are bisque-fired because bisqueware is still porous, which means the clay is not going to stick to it permanently. If you push clay into a plastic bowl or a metal bowl, it's going to stick permanently and you'll never be able to get it off. So if you use one of these bowls, you'll have to line it with plastic. You line it with plastic like this to do the technique. So I just take some clay. I'm gonna roll coils. Just roll a coil and then I'm just gonna do whatever I want into the bowl. Whatever design I want to be on the outside of the bowl. I will make the coil into that design and then I will push it into the pot. Here, let's once it's smeared all together, you can just pick it up, pop it over like that, and look, what do you know? How's that for a little bowl? It has a cool design on it. The design's on the outside. The inside's gonna be smooth. I'm gonna go back later and I'm gonna add feet. I'm gonna do something to the lip to make sure that it doesn't crack all the way around it. But that's the idea. Let me ask you this. What kind of mold would you need if you wanted the design to be on the inside and not on the outside? Like this. You would probably need a mold where you put your design over a hump like this and then you smear the outside together. Okay? So there's lots of different ways you can do this press molded assignment. You can use different shapes. You can do it on the inside of a bowl or you can do it over the outside of a bowl. Just remember, if you're using a plastic or a metal bowl or a glazed bowl, you'll need to put plastic over it so it doesn't stick. Have fun with this, guys. This is the class project from yesterday. If you want them not to wobble back and forth, you might want to put a foot on it, like that. This has, or little feet, like little legs. You would do that when it's leather hard. So this bowl is now leather hard. It will no longer bend out of shape when I put feet on it. Do you guys all remember about scoring and slipping from Ceramics 1? So that's where you would turn this over and you would score, decide what kind of foot you want, score, slip, attach with feet. Also, on the top, sometimes I'll do a rim around the top so that the pieces don't fall apart. So it's really common on these press molded pieces when you have a place like this that it's not blended together really well, it might crack and the crack will just run all the way down, right? So here's one really good solution for that. you can take a needle tool and you can score all along the surface